So let's compare the DSA 125 sanders from DongCheng. This is the first version. It's a little taller and a little sleeker around this area right here. Comes with a bag for collection. However, it comes with a very small dust port. Have not been able to find an adapter that I can connect this to so I can hook it up to a shop vac. One of the drawbacks that I don't like about it is when using this bag, it gets a lot of buildup of sand around this area right here. So hooking it up to a dust vac would definitely improve its usage. The second version is a little slimmer, beefier around the side, has a nice bag with it, and a bigger port. Like this port here, you can hook up to a shop vac with no problems. I have not yet seen any buildup around the new improved ports. Both of them are very well made, and I say these are my best sanders so far. Thanks for watching.